So here we are, near Brisbane, right next to the Daisy Hill State Forest. We're on 80 acres. Customer had an existing off-grid system that we completely revamped. You should see this weapon of a system. Let's have a look at it. So here we are inside the room. Massive off-grid system. What an absolute beast of a system. So we've got the Australian-made batteries here. These are the Power Plus 3.8 kilowatt hour battery modules. So we've got 152 kilowatt hours of Australian-made batteries. So if we come through here, we've got our big DC isolator over here. We've got two 7.5 kilowatt SP Pro. So we've got 15 kilowatts of continuous output, Australian-made also. So on the roof, we've got a 55 kilowatt array. So we've got three 10 kilowatt Fronius primos. So these primos are AC coupled to the SP Pro, so you can go 2-to-1 when you get a managed Fronius Cellectronic certified inverter. So 30 kilowatts of AC coupled inverter capacity into 15 kilowatts of Cellectronic SP Pro. Now we do have a 55 kilowatt array, so how do we get more power into it? We go with your AERL and PPTs. So bit of a theme going here, Australian-made batteries, Australian-made AERL, so these are actually made in Brisbane, where the best beer Forex is made. Also your Cellectronics, Australian-made, and you got the Austrian-made Froniuses, really close. So the AERL, so these are 70 amp AERLs, MPPT. So we've got a DC coupled array, as well as the AC coupled array. So the main reason for this is we've got maximum amount of AC, and then we've added the DC coupling in as well, so we can maximize the input. With 154 kilowatt hours of batteries to fill, we want as much energy as we can out of this system. So we've got the Fronius AC coupled and the AERL MPPTs linked up to our DC array. Having two systems mean we also have a fail-safe. We've got redundancy here, so if anything was to happen to either system, we can keep everything going on the property off either system there. There is a Cellectronic shunt, so we're measuring the DC, measuring the AC, the Cellectronic, all the information then is relayed back through your Select Live, and so our customer can just dial in, see exactly where he's at, see how much power he's using, how much power he's producing, all the historical data, and everything all on one site. This Mammoth inverter and battery system is powered by 126 of the Canadian solar 440 watt panels that we put up on the roof. We got 96 panels on the main house and an extra 30 panels on the neighbouring granny flat. We really wanted to take advantage of that additional roof space so we could maximise the solar generation for this first system. So we were able to get a 55.4 kilowatt system on the living quarters of this property. Now, just 500 metres down the way is the horse stables on this property, which has also received a Springer's solar retrofit. Let's have a look at it now. Okay, so here we are up at the shed, aka the stables. So we got our 14.5 kilowatt array on the roof here. We've got 46 kilowatt hours of batteries just here. We've used the same batteries as the other system on the property, so we have 14 of the Australian-made Power Plus batteries neatly stacked in the Power Plus indoor battery cabinet. These are the Power Plus 3.8 kilowatt hour battery modules. We've kept a similar setup with this system. So we've gone the SP Pro, Australian made, 7.5 kilowatt. We got your AC coupled Fronius inverter again. So we've got the AC coupled array, and then to get the maximum that we can, we've also got the one AERL Australian made MPPT, which is our DC coupled array. So just like the other systems, we installed a Cellectronic shunt that collects all the vital system from the DC coupled system as well. And then this relays all the information back to Select Live. And we've got that on this one as well. So we've got easy monitoring for the customer. So altogether, another really awesome system here. Let's go have a look at the array. On top of the stables, we have a second array for this property. Here we've used 34 of the Canadian solar 440 watt panels, which gives us a 14.9 kilowatt system for the stables here. This is more than enough to keep the stables running smoothly and efficiently for the customer. So two systems, one site, massive off-grid systems right here in Brisbane. We absolutely love doing these systems. We love off-grid systems. We love showing you all about them. If you ever need an off-grid system in Brisbane, come and see us. We'd love to do yours for you. Thanks for watching.